Hi there, it's Sam from pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me and Happy New Year. This is my first video post New Year. We're now in 2019 and tomorrow is the day that our brand new Spring Summer catalogue and Bration brochures go live, and I have got a bag tag for you. That's going to come clear in a minute, because I'm going to show you the incredible bag that comes as part of our joining offer. But I've got a couple of things going on here. So I have got punching. Oh, I forgot to get the punch out. It's a good job everything's so handy in my office, isn't it? So I've got a punch. I've got free Bration paper that I'm going to be doing the punching with, and a free Bration stamp set. So Bration is incredible. So I'm going to chat to you while I'm stamping and punching. So I've got a 4x2 inch, no, that's the wrong one. 4x2 inch, 10 by 5 centimetre piece of cardstock that I'm going to punch. Easy peasy. And I'm going to punch these out as well while I'm here. So, yeah, Bration, awesome for everybody. There is the shopping offer where if you spend £45, 60 euros, you will get something for free. And it's every £45 or 60 euros, so it's cumulative. So if you were to spend £90, 120 euros, you could get two things, or you could get a level 2 product that comes in our Bration brochure. Doesn't matter what it is, but you can get two of them, which is absolutely awesome. There's also the spend. So if you spend over £150 normally, you get 10% for free. But if you spend over £200, you get an extra. You get your extra hostess rewards as normal, but you also get an extra £20 on top as well. I can't remember what that is in euros off the top of my head, and typically haven't got a catalogue handy. So it's amazing. And then we have the incredible joining offer, which is kind of where this is focused now. So I punched out my butterflies, aren't they gorgeous? So new catalogue, this is the Bration paper pack, and they're just divine, absolutely amazing, super cute. And then I've got a scrap of cardstock, basic black ink, the stamp set I want to use, and I've got some blueberry bushel over here, which is what's going on here. So I need to trim these down. I'm going to trim them down, and then I'm going to show you gorgeousness from the new catalogue. So this was 5 centimetres wide, 2 inches, so I want to make it just a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make mine 4.5 inches, which is 4.5 centimetres, 1 3/4 inches. Okay. And the wording I'm going to use, I'm so glad you're part of my story, because everybody who is in my team, I'm glad they're part of my story. That's measuring up at, 2 inches tall, so 5 centimetres tall is what I want to make it. So I'm going to make it 5.5. And there's plenty of room to that to go on there, which means that when I do this bit, I'm going to make that 0.5 centimetre shorter and narrower, 1/4 inch shorter and narrower. Oh, did I do it the wrong way around? Did I measure that up completely wrong? I did. So that should have been 4 by 5. Oh dear, I got that wrong. Let's try that again. 4 by 5 centimetres. It's very difficult when you're carrying lots of figures and numbers in your head. 4 by 5. That's going to sit on top of there. So Stampin' Up gives us awesome stuff. As demonstrators, we get gifted an awful lot of stuff, which is, you know, always a winner. I'm using a new cling stamp here. That means I've got the sticker on the back and it's not moving. So they've given us that, which is just blooming marvellous to start with. But when we attend events, we get lots of gorgeous stuff gifted to us. And we have our biannual event coming up in April, and registration for that is opening on the 19th of January. So if you want to be part of it, you kind of need to get onto it and join ASAP. I.e. tomorrow, 3rd of January, when everything goes live, because Stampin' Up is gifting us amazing things this time round. So our joining offer is incredible at the best of times. It's £99 to join, and you get £130 worth of products for free. You get free postage on that order, and you get a whole load of catalogues, all of the relevant catalogues free as well. And again, in euros, I can't remember what it is off the top of my head, but I will make sure that everything, all of the details are in the description bar and on the blog post attached. But this time round, oh look, new embellishments. How lovely. This time round, if you spend your £99 to join, you get to choose £170 worth of anything you like from any catalogue. So it doesn't have to be the spring catalogue, it can be the annual catalogue too. It can even be the clearance rack if you really wanted. And £170 for £99. Or, and this is where it gets really amazing, you can spend £129 and you get £170 worth of goodies of your choice. You get the free postage, all of that, and you will also get an amazing tote bag, which is blooming huge as well. And the tote bag is worth, I want to say £47. It might be less than £47, but it might be more. Let me have a look. I'm looking in my catalogue. There's the front cover. I can't show you the inside cover until tomorrow. Oh, sorry, it's £125. So £99, get £170 worth of stuff. That's it, no bag. £125, you get £170 worth of stuff that you choose yourself, and the bag. And the bag is worth £47. So in euros, £129, and you're going to get 129 euros, and you're going to get 230 euros for free. Or 160 euros, 230 euros worth of goodies for free, of your choice, and the bag. And do you want to see the bag? It's huge. I don't know that I'm going to get it on here. It's massive. So those are my bag tags, and this is the bag. I don't even know if I can zoom out. Let me see if I can. Yeah, that's as far as it's going. It is enormous. It is a full-size tote bag in our beautiful Stampin' Up colours with our Stampin' Up logo on the top. I haven't even peeled off my bits. Loads of cubbies inside, and they are velcroed, so you can move them around as you like. There's pocket, cubby, big cubby. Yes, it holds a trimmer. More cubbies, more pockets. There are pockets on the front here and here. There's a zip. What else is there? There's a big zip at the back. Really big, and it's reinforced at the bottom. And what will it hold? I can't get that closed up. Oh, and it's studded at the bottom as well. Shoulder strap. What will it hold? Well, I've got my trimmer handy because I know it will hold that. Easy peasy with room to spare. I know it will hold the Big Shot, but I think I would need to take everything out to fit it in, but let's have a go anyway. I think I probably would need to take all of these bits out for it to fit. Yes, I do. But I do know it fits. Thank you, Janet Wakeland, over in America, for working that one out for us. That it fits. It fits reams of cardstock. Have I got cardstock handy? I don't think I've got a full ream. Fits in there, no problem. Fits there, no problem. What else? Catalogues are going to fit in there if you're going to go out and about. Ink pads, punches. I think the punches fit particularly well in the front. Yes, they do. So that's the one I just used. That's our biggest ones. That fits in there. But what does it match? Because it does match stuff. Look at that. How pretty. It matches Stamparatus bag. That's my doorbell. My husband is here. He can answer that. Fits the it matches the Stamparatus bag inside as well, which is just brilliant, and I love this bag. I asked my team what they could use the bag for, and it was everything from lunch to nappies and all sorts. This is huge. It's going to be brilliant for crops. It's going to be brilliant if you're somebody who has a small craft space. You can actually carry your stuff around your house with you. But what else matches? Now, I said about Stampin' Up gifting us stuff, and we had our 30th anniversary celebrations in November, and this was our gift. So again, something that matches. So this is very much our logo this year. There's the stuff inside, and we were gifted this. So you can't buy this, and even demonstrators can't buy it. This was only a gift. But it's a tool caddy as well. So Stampin' Up is the best company to be with. I love the company. I'm coming up for my 6th anniversary at the end of March. I was a Celebration joiner as well, and obviously it's Celebration now. I have an amazing team who I support on a daily basis, but who support me as well, and they inspire me every day. We've got demonstrators in my direct team in all 5 of our countries, so the UK, where I'm based, but also Germany, France, the Netherlands and Austria, and they're all direct to me as well. And they have their own growing teams as well. We don't let geography get in the way. Language isn't an issue. I don't speak any other languages, but all of the ladies overseas who've joined me do speak English, and they speak to one another in their own languages as well. It's wonderful to see. And yeah, we just have the best time. We really, really do. I don't ever like to say that, to use the words I'm proud of you or I'm proud of somebody, because it's not for me to be proud of them, but for them to be proud of their own achievements. But it's such a privilege to work with them, to see their stories unfold, to see their journeys. And I know that there's loads of you who've been in touch saying you can't wait until the joining offer kicks in, but you know, you never know where the story will take you. When I joined, I just wanted to discount, much like everybody does. I was doing craft fairs at the time, and I wanted to, you know, have a bigger profit margin. And actually, as it happens, it turned out that my husband was working when all of the big craft fairs were on, so that didn't happen. But so I decided I was going to do videos because I fit my business around my life. I get to be a mum to my beautiful and amazing children. My little Oliver, he wasn't even 2 when I joined. I actually did my first video the day before his 2nd birthday, and I used to film when he was having his naps. And yeah, 1 or 2 of my very early videos, you can hear him singing across his baby monitor as he'd woken up before I was ready. But I fit my job around them. I get to go to all of their school concerts. I get to go to parents' evening at a time actually that helps the teachers, because you know what, the first slots that always go are the ones that are outside work time, because parents don't want to have to take a day's annual leave to go to parents' evening. So I get to be flexible around that. I get to go to all of their things but not take annual leave, but I get to travel the world, not just on incentive trips, but also with my job too, as in there are events coming up, and in November we'll all be in Germany because we're going to be hosting our biannual event for Europe there. I'm going to be in Telford in April. I'm going to Paris next month to meet some of my French team. I'm hoping to get over to Germany to see some of my other European team. I will be going on an incentive trip, and Chris gets to come with me this time to the Greek islands in July. Next year I'm going to Maui. I've earned that incentive trip, and my eldest son will be 17. He gets to come with me. So all of this travel, and it's all come about because of my love of crafting. And I was not a stamper when I first joined. I hadn't picked up a rubber stamp in my life. I was very much into paper punches, not peel-offs or anything like that, but paper punches. And paper, that's what I loved to work with. And you know, if you'd have asked me then or told me then what was going to happen now, I wouldn't have believed you. And I believe the opportunity that we've got that kicks off as of tomorrow, and actually, to be honest, any time of year, is an amazing opportunity. So I shall leave you. It's going to be about 2 o'clock in the morning. So in a little less than 24 hours, this catalogue is going to go live. I will have a blog post ready, and I'm very dedicated to my job, so I will be awake just to check everything has gone live. Anyway, hope you like my little tags. They're so cute. They are very cute. For my bag, don't forget, you can only get that if you join. You cannot buy it. That's only exclusive. That's exclusive to new joiners. Anyway, see you soon. Bye.